peoples in the region now called the Northeast India to enjoy a semblance of independence similar to the position they had before the signing of the tripartite peace treaty of Yandabu, signed on the 24th February 1826 among the British India, Myanmaris and the Ahom king. After signing the Treaty of Yandabu, British India government administered the areas of the hill tribes kingdoms under the administrative systems of partially excluded and excluded. Under these systems, large amount of autonomy was given to the hill tribes kingdoms, especially to the kingdoms governed under the excluded areas system. Naga Hills, Lushai Hills, and a part of Khasi Jaintia Hills and North Kathar Hills. Mikir Hills, Kartianglong, Garo Hills, and a part of Khasi Jaintia Hills and a part of North Kathar Hills, now the Mahasau, were governed under the system of partially excluded areas. I still remember the visit of His Majesty, the King of Karbi Kingdom, along with his ministers and the Karbi High Priest to our house in the 1950s. They came wearing their royal robes and golden necklaces. It was under such background the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India was made. The sixth schedule has been made as a mini constitution or a constitution within constitution as stated by Justice B.L. Ansaria and Chief Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah of the Supreme Court of India respectively. Constitution of a nation is a legal framework for building or constructing an independent nation. So, a mini constitution is a mini legal framework for constructing or building a mini nation. The tribal areas mentioned at paragraph 1 and 20 are meant to be mini nations, but these are not called nations because these are within the independent Indian nation. Some of us do not call it a mini constitution, but whenever any amendment to the sixth schedule is proposed to be made, it is treated as amendment to the constitution because it is part and parcel of the Constitution of India. A nation must be administered and a democratic nation must be administered by the power of the people. Demos, people, kratos, power, democracy. Before anything can be done in the mini constitution, in the mini nation, by the authority of the mini nation, a mini parliament must be created. So, an autonomous council is created by paragraph 2, subparagraph 1, to administer the mini nation in observance of democratic norm, because the king has been replaced by power of the people. To constitute the autonomous council, members who work in the autonomous council must be chosen. We must not forget that the council is an autonomous council, a self-working council. So, a law for electing members of the autonomous council must also be made by the self-working council, not by any other power outside sixth schedule. The Assam Autonomous District Constitution of District Councils Rules 1951 made by the state government were only for forming the first council. The law for election of members of the Autonomous Council must be made first of all. This is the first act of the Autonomous Council to prove that the council is autonomous. And the autonomy is provided only for the hills tribes people previously, because it is they who needed to protect themselves by their own political power. It is not constitutionally appropriate to talk about making any other law before making the law for conduct of elections of the autonomous councils and for preparation of voter list for election of the autonomous councils. If the autonomous councils are not constituted by law made by the scheduled tribes themselves, then the so-called autonomous councils are not constitutionally autonomous councils, and all the other laws that may be made by the so-called autonomous councils cannot protect the scheduled tribes, because if the lawmakers are not scheduled tribes people, there is a strong possibility that laws would be made under pressure of non-scheduled tribes people. In such so-called autonomous councils, the political power of non-scheduled tribes creeps in surreptitiously in every sphere. It has actually happened in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. In the first interim council, in the first interim autonomous district council, a non-tribal man from Borpeta was made deputy chairman, and 4 non-scheduled tribes persons were made members of the Mikir Hills Autonomous District Council in 1952. As a result, instead of making land revenue law by retaining the traditional land and revenue laws of Karbis and other hill tribes, the then Mikir Hills Autonomous District Council accepted the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886, which was imposed by the government of Assam. This resulted in the automatic cancellation of all the land patas of the hill tribes people who had already received patas from traditional chiefs under traditional administrative system of the tribes. Even today, thousands of hill tribes people are declared to be encroachers of land for which they had received pata orally from their chief hundreds of years before. The name of my father, who was the village headman of our Tika village, the authority to give land patas. He is the authority to give land patas in that place. Also is found written in the Chita, that is field index, as an encroacher. Even my father is declared encroacher. Thousands of tribe people inhabiting all over these tribal areas, including on both sides of the National Highway 4-lane between Doboka to Dimapur, were tribes patadars of lands for which the tribes people have already received land patas from the village headmen and Servan Kep and other traditional village councils of their tribes. Due to adoption of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886, their rightful patas received during the government of their king were automatically cancelled. In fact, ALRR 1886 was imposed by the Assam government, and majority of the tribes people who had traditional patas were made landless as a result of 6th schedule because of a non-implementation of 6th schedule. Cancellation of traditional patas and making tribes people landless could happen because land and revenue law was not made by the Mikir Hills Autonomous District Council as empowered by paragraph 3 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India in the way the makers of the 6th schedule wanted. In 1959, instead of making laws to protect land for tribes people, To enable non-tribal people to acquire lands of tribes people, a land and revenue law called the Materials District Transfer of Land Act 1959 was made by the Materials Autonomous District Council. In 1969, more power was demanded by elected Congress MLAs and MDCs, including 2 ministers, and rejected autonomous hill state, but instead received less power. Demanded more power, received less power, by empowering Assam government to prevent the autonomous district councils from making laws for conducting council elections and preparing council voters list by inserting with the approval of the governor in para 27 of the 6th schedule. Even for introducing the bill in the autonomous district council, even for introducing also the approval of the government is needed, but they thought that they got more power. In 1995, para 3 was diluted by inserting alienation of land in a new para 3A, clause O. This insertion lowered down the 6th schedule, a mini constitution, to simply a Land and Revenue Act. See how it happened. In 6th schedule is a mini constitution, but by inserting land settlement matter in it, it was brought down to the level of an act, a Land Revenue Act. That it happened because from the beginning in the Constituent Assembly itself, opposition to 6th schedule was very strong. So they took any opportunity to make it weaker all the time. Even today, 6th schedule, a mini constitution is now legal terms like transfer of land, settlement of land, etc. are to be put in the Land and Revenue Act, which is actually yet to be made under paragraph 3. Anti-6th schedule tribes elements where
we have 2 minutes to find out.
Then it is very long. I don't know. Light also something has happened. Will you give me concession because of the light? No, I will then just speak like that. I think.
Yes.
Words like settlement. Oh. No concession. Words. No, nothing.
But you are audible, sir.
Words like settlement or transfer, etc. are to be written in an act, not in constitution. If you read the whole of Constitution of India, there is no mention of settlement of land or transfer of land in the constitution, because it is a constitution. Constitution is for building a country, not for land settlement. Now we thought that this 6th schedule is an act to protect culture, this and that thing. It is not that. It is not culture matter. It includes the whole of the nation. That means it includes culture also, anything. This culture, anything need not be mentioned in the constitution. It is automatically included. Now, another point. This has happened in the 2 districts of these things. I don't know where I left it. Here, the scheduled tribes people are reduced to abject poverty now. 90% of the dwelling houses of scheduled tribes are made of bamboo and mud plaster with torn walls and damp earthen floors on which the children sleep. In their kitchen, not even one feast of rice can be seen. Most of the schools in villages are closed because persons from cities are appointed as teachers who do not attend the schools where they are posted, the elected members do not appoint local scheduled tribes persons as teachers because they are afraid of losing next election due to heavy increase of the voters of non-tribes people. This is the result of not making election rules by the Autonomous Council composed of members of the scheduled tribe. A large number of scheduled tribes people are denied of having polling station, LP schools near their villages. Many have to walk up and down through the hills in forests, the distance of 7 kilometers to 60 kilometers or 70 kilometers to cast their votes. Tribal people are not given even polling centers. Very funny. How it is happening? It is happening right there in Singnason Hills. And LP school also. During ASDC government, they established one LP school. That also brought down in 2002. Now they have got no schools also. All children without education there. Last year we went 68 children without education. If election rules are not made under paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 by Autonomous Council composed of only scheduled tribes members, all other laws to be made under the 6th schedule cannot be made for the benefit of the scheduled tribes. This has been proved in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimahasao. See, they have not made the law. We have filed a case in High Court. We won High Court also. And the council are afraid to make the law because non-tribal people are now almost majority. Our population was 96% tribal people in 1951. Now in 2011, our tribal population is 56%. And now in 2021 census, it is reported we are only 47%. According to law of natural justice, it is no more a tribal area. See, this has happened. And now we are afraid. Our elected people are afraid of non-tribal people. So they are afraid to make any law also. They are afraid even to appoint tribal people. The chokidar, peons are selected in Dispur. They pass a law, direct recruitment law. Nobody opposes it. MLAs are afraid to oppose it. We wrote to the MLAs. Some of them even afraid to receive our letter. They returned it. Only one MLA, he received it and replied to us. But it could not be done. This direct recruitment is there. Now, the other part of the 6th schedule is making of law for recognizing traditional village councils of the tribes people by whatever name called. The Constitution of India by Article 243D has given freedom to the tribes, to the scheduled tribes to retain and utilize their traditional village council by whatever name called. This means that the Autonomous Council constituted by the 6th schedule must make laws to retain and utilize for all government purposes the traditional village councils of all the scheduled tribes of different names. The Karbis have the Servan Kep, Rengma Nagas have Injang Tiruk Winyu Songsat Wen, Dimasa have Raji Naisoko, Kuki Mar tribes have Tulsung Vaisa, Siam tribe has Mukpom Chauban, Garo tribe has Songko Dilgapa, Khasi Jaintia has Darbash Nong, Tiwa tribe has Shining Pisai, and Bodo tribe has Gamiari Afad. Some leaders of some tribes may say that their traditional village councils are not constituted, not by election. So their traditional village councils are not equivalent to panchayats of the non-tribal people. We must not forget that elections in democracy is a new system. Even panchayats were not constituted by elections in earlier days. Panchayats have been modified and improved. It is no more a 5-member village council, panchayat, 5-member council, but now 20 members. But still we call it panchayat. Panchayat has become a nomenclature, not the numbers of the members. Likewise, if the panchayat more than 2000 years old, they modified it and improved it and used for development purposes and everything of the government, why not our traditional village council, Serwan Care? It can be used. We call it Serwan Care, but actually there are 12 members. We also. Because some time ago, so I don't know, about 50 or 100 years ago, this was amended. That is why, although it is called Serwan Care, the members are 12. Now we can increase it to 16.
Sir, we are sorry, we
Yeah,
have to
just
wind up
ending.
so that there
Just
are some
end-
questions.
Yeah,
Thank
just
you.
ending, just ending.
Please make
Yeah.
sure the
Therefore, as
articles are
mandated,
given.
yeah. Therefore, as mandated by paragraph 2, subparagraph 7 of the 6th schedule, and as per judgment passed by the Honorable High Court on 13/7/2018 in PIL case number 9/2017, all the 10 autonomous district or territorial council must first of all make law for conduct of elections of the autonomous or territorial councils. Conduct of elections includes preparation of electoral rolls. Let us also wake up to make laws under paragraph 3, 1, E, F, G of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India to keep traditional council by whatever name called alive. Let us keep our traditional village council alive and working to retain identity of our tribes and for progress. Thank you.